education, and protecting future generations. Anti-narcotic operations, action and extraction networks, instruction of illegal cultivation, heightened vigilance, and active engagement with communities and youth. These efforts reflect the commitment of the department to safeguard the society and uphold the rule of law.
Over the last 9 years, under the war against drug campaign, Nicopolis has registered 2,394 cases under the NDPS Act and arrested 3,548 persons, 594 bodies of 1,832 and papers, 10,858 kgs of marijuana, 98 kg of ice pistol, and 216.35 kg of pseudoephedrine. These achievements reflect the sustained commitment and relentless effort of Manipur Police in combating drug abuse and illicit trafficking and safeguarding the future of the society. In addition to this, 21,550 hectares of coffee plantation have been restored in the past 9 years since 2017. Regular drug disposal programs are conducted by the Nicopolis from time to time as part of this sustained efforts in fighting against drug abuse and illicit trafficking. 3 such disposal programs were conducted on 25th January 2025, 27 September 2025, and 17 June 2026 at the Caesar Kamal Biomedical West Treatment Facility, Lamdeng, Imphal West, during which 314.471 kilograms, 332.813 kilograms, and 39 kilograms respectively of pre-trial and post-trial narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances were respectively disposed. At the same time, today, that reminds us that policing alone cannot eliminate the problems. Success requires the participation of every stakeholder, families, schools, civil society, organizations, community leaders, and above all, our young people. As we gather for this mega awareness run, let us dedicate ourselves to creating a stronger, healthier, and drug-free Manipur. With this spirit, I once again extend a warm welcome to everyone present and thank you all for joining this meaningful initiative. I wish the program a great success.
The run will flag off from Kangla Western Gate and proceed towards the midway point at Iroisemba Chingjin via the Birtigain Rajit flyover, utilizing exclusively the southern lane. There are 3 hydration points along the route. Road marshals are stationed along the route to guide you in the course of the run. The return route from Iroisemba Chingjin will utilize the southern lane of the Birtigain Rajit flyover and finally culminate at the Kangla Western Gate. The run is classified into 2 categories. The open category, which is signified by the blue bib, and the 40+ age category, signified by the orange bib. Today we have a whooping 1,300 number of participants who will be carrying the spirit of a stronger, healthier, and a drug-free Manipur across a distance of 10 kilometers. Patrol Team 6 of Imphal West, led by SI Super, will spearhead the participants for the run. Participants are requested to kindly follow his lead. There are 3 hydration points along the route located at Canteen Crossing, Lambui Khong Nang Khong, and Iroisemba Chingjin. Thank you.
Run the same category, I need to have the rest of the running. Participants may amuka ang request of the ring. Blue, pink, happy ba? Open category kanguna mamang galepi gani. Orange, pink, happy ba? 40 plus category na blue, pink, gani ko galepi gani. Ang pink ba ang participants sing na mamang galepi gani blue, pink ki mamangga tham gani makoy na.
We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready.
May I repeat once again? The run will be flagged off from Kamla Western Gate and proceed towards the midway point at Iroisema Chinjin via the Betikin Ridge flyover, utilizing exclusively the southern lane. There are 3 hydration points along the route. Road marshals are stationed along the route to guide you in the course of the run. The return route from Iroisemba Chinjin will utilize the southern lane of Betikin Ridge flyover and finally culminate at Kangla Western Gate, the finishing line. The run is classified into 2 categories, the open category which is signified by the blue bib and the 40 plus category which is signified by the orange bib. So once again, the participants are wearing the blue bib are requested to kindly stand on the front in the lineup with the orange bib behind them. Today, we have a whopping 1,300 number of participants, 1,055 in the male open category, 60 in the female open category, 150 in the 40 plus male category, 35 in the female 40 plus category. These participants will be carrying the spirit of a stronger, healthier and a drug-free Manipur across a distance of 10 kilometers. Pro team led by SI Super Impal West will spearhead the participants for the run. Participants are requested to kindly follow his lead. There are 3 hydration points along the route. One at Kenting Crossing, another at Lamboy Kumangkum, and another one at Iroisemba Chinjin. Amukah nalinsing again. Blue bib happy ba? Open category di Kambuna. Mamang sanggalipi gani. Ani thong na tagal na dapat ang dyan sila. Ahan ba flag off ng baladol ba? Blue bib happy ba Kambuna mamang sanggalipi gani. Matanda orange bib. Orange bib haptor Kambuna. Ani thong nagalitsa gani. Good morning, everyone. The chief guest of today's function has arrived. May I now request everyone to kindly rise and welcome Shri Yundam Kenchan Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur.
لا النبي يا ابني موجود عند
You can share kindly remain inside.
لا ندوي
Ladies and gentlemen, may I request respected Director General of Police Manipur, Shri Mukesh Singh, RDS, to kindly come forward and felicitate the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Yumram Khimchand Singh, with the presentation of a traditional Leyan and a bouquet. The Director General of Police Manipur, Shri Mukesh Singh IPS, to felicitate the Honorable Home Minister of Manipur, Shri Konthojam Govindas Singh, with the presentation of a traditional Leyan and a bouquet.
May I now request the Director General of Police Manipur, Shri Mukesh Singh, IPS, to kindly felicitate the Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Dr. Puneet Kumar Goyal, IAS, with the presentation of the Manipur Police Leyan and a bouquet as a mark of respect and warm welcome.
May I request the Deputy Inspector General of Police, AP2, Manipur, Shri N. Hirojit Mehta, IPS, to felicitate the Director General of Police, Manipur, Shri Mukesh Singh, IPS. May I also request the Hirojit to kindly felicitate Additional Director General of Police, Law and Order, AP and INT Manipur, Shri Lavin Tojo Ratu, IPS. So once again, kindly felicitate Shri Emmanuel K. Muiga, IPS, Additional Director General of Police, Home Guard and HR, in the presentation of a police Leyan and a bouquet.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this 10-kilometer mega awareness run organized by the Manipur Police Department in observance of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. This initiative reflects a collective commitment towards building a healthier, safer, and a drug-free society. To formally welcome all dignitaries, participants, and guests present here today, may I now respectfully invite the Director General of Police Manipur, Shri Mukesh Singh, IPS, to deliver the welcome address. May I request respected DGP Sir, Shri Mukesh Singh, to kindly address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Minister, Divine Chief Minister Singh, Honorable Home Minister, Shri Govindas, respected Chief Secretary, dignitaries on the dais, friends from the media and participants. I would like to warmly welcome Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Home Minister, and all the participants present here on the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. This is a fight not only undertaken by the Manipur Police, but we expect the entire population of Manipur, the youth, the students, the teachers, the parents, and all members of the society to very actively take part in the fight against drug abuse and illicit trafficking. I like the enthusiasm of the people of Manipur and especially the participants here who have wholeheartedly joined this event to show their commitment against drugs and drug abuse and illicit trafficking. On this occasion, I would like to thank all the organizers, the people who have helped us, the health department, the traffic department, and everyone present here who has contributed towards making this event successful. We hope that we will all run with the sportsman spirit and contribute towards our cause against drug abuse. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now my honor and privilege to invite the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Yumnam Khimchand Singh, to address the gathering. Leadership and commitment towards creating a healthy, safer.
Good morning, boys and girls. No to drugs. Sige, balik please to kami ng Simi, di ba? 10 kilometers may kaya watch rin. Sige, Kimsi, dadagdin siya ba lapi, di ba? Kasi, wala ay natakat wahig na pagduk siya eh. Walang di. Please listen very carefully. Aikoy, apabas samahan sa siya ay pagkakagadi. Aikoy drugs. Tayo, padalay ko tawari. And today, I've seen you had all the, good health and the youths are with no drugs. No drugs. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Our respected DGP sir, Shri Mukesh Singh IPS, would also be joining us in this 10-kilometer mega awareness run, carrying the spirit of a drug-free Manipur. Cheers for him, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at the most weighted moment of today's program. That is the run. The run will be flag off in 50 seconds. The open category participants wearing blue will be flag off first, following by the flagging off of the 40+ category participants after a brief hiatus of 5 minutes. May I request the participants of the open blue bib wearing category to kindly proceed to the starting line as we commence this run with a renewed determination and spirit.
Kami na pa ilang bilis na loyo dulu ho. Pero Congress Babal eh, betul tu nak kena. Congress Babal ni nak kena. Wow. Tunggu. Congress oficial itu. Son ellos que no son opositos Congress oficial. Congress oficial nak kena. Yellow. Tunggu dulu.
Yang kata kele ada orang saya hari macam Còn lúc có đâu ở đây chúng ta phân lôi đúng nè cái nó ở thế sao thì đây chúng ta cân được làm được ấy cầm đút cho cây làm gì được cầm đút cho cây làm gì được không có được Không biết do vấn đề được không được hai gì Apa tahu pun kan itu jauh dari pun dalam itu ada nak saya sana. Jadi itu sekarang itu nanti pada itu nanti yang ada apa? Kalau kita kira kita satu kedua 1.5 kilometer को मरी लेकर मणिपुर पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट के लेकर आवेदन किया जाता है फिर बजाओ के बाद अंदर लाओ मने मने बोलेगा गाड़ी ऑफिस का मनी का फर्स्ट का ऑपरेटिव को
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯒ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯂꯣꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯒ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯪ ꯆꯠꯂꯣ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ 어디 가요? 그냥 가볼로. Boleh mangkir lah. Beraber. Aku tahu mesti jauh. Tahu. Kan dia tu jangan terlalu. Mesti kita sampai dia. Tadi isi betul betul lepas dulu ni. Tahu? Tadi isi betul betul lepas dulu. Tahu. 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 Mỗi lỗ cũng liền cái này rồi lỗ.
Ông kia khăn khăn đó bên kia là một con có một cái gì
Tôi đi từ lâu đi rồi. Thôi rồi. Không số mày rồi nó rồi. Đúng rồi. Sarana photo है
गाड़ी थोड़ा
ये
10 kilometer data evidence है ना yang review dari diciptakan kita kembali dengan sendiri bang dan nanti dah barat ini garis kita naik tau ke ini garis kita naik tau ke nggak akan sama kan lagi yo nggak akan sama kan lagi yo kasih celi bang nanti kasih 26 to Friday 2026 kita pasok jadi bang Gari tholi to matai to tholo mai tholi to kai kino mai ai gari tholi to matai to tholo ini gari benda ani ini kita kata video ke mana aduh ini gari ta orang to tholi ke to kita sai video mai kana ba to tholo Gari ini sobat piro bang, ini sobat piro nak kene. Bang ini sobat piro nak kene ba. Aduh masih payah ini di sini gari itu batai je lain hai ro. Batai je lain hai piro gari itu kham ka lai oi piro. Payah je tu thau lakano, payah je thau farak chahiye. Batai da. Gari itu kham lo, gari itu kham lo. Gari itu kham ka lai dio na ka pati pa bi nikal ra. Nah, akan sama sekali pejabat akan sambil, mata itu sambil sini.
Ôi, thâu rồi. 하고 싶은 거 좀 별로. 더.走了。不想下了。더울라. 겁나게 얼음 해줘. Dulu.
Sebagai pegawai Paulo, akan kena berikan kepada.
Dia sama bio tu kai, sama bio.
Tahu bio yang boleh. Itu tahu bio yang boleh. Roket ini hari total ini.
Dulu. Ha. Pemain dah. Game masuk. Nak bro. Sama lo. Tengah kau boleh mau tahu kan. Tahu lo. Panggil ada saklo bano. Ada ngai lo. Ada pokok tu pun telah mo. Ya. Bây giờ cảm sẽ là cái Thấu Tập thâu. Tập thâu. Thâu. Síguelo. Thâu, thôi đúng không? Thâu. Thâu. Ra liều rồi.
Second position, third position, 0164. The first three winners of the male open category. Runner mga male open category ki runner mga ako'y pantungmam turang yaurokre adun ako'y technical team na ako'y maming matasing do kara tun ako'y certificate section na pibiraga ako'y
अतैदी छमनारे लग रहे Very good. Okay, jadi memang aku akan berkomunikasi dengan itu biasa di sana apa ada. Oke, lagi basic up dulu. Jadi mau cari ini kan nanti kita akan video. Ini belum itu, ini semua belum. Ini belum. Oke, jadi buat seperti video yang terbuat dulu. Pertama, buat video yang terbuat. We appreciate your spirit, sir. Let's after a busy, sir. Roni has reached the destination. Our division 52 minutes 38 seconds is the time. Well done, well done. 40 plus bar. 40 plus bar. Very good, very good. Yam fazana participate to bugi batata. Lamjen cheli basi ju time si aduk yam na fit over yam healthy and fit over du no timing da ayam bayo fil pasi koi Manipur ki tha siksi yam the promising or ye tu ga masa baru fan dai hai usi masi na tai agar masi ko ne sil ba program theme International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking gi masi ki ko gi silliba masigi tipsiga yamna sanana nahasingna mainga lakpase koi leba asida laiba nahasingse hope baby future lady habido masigi silliba rasina mayek singna tai koi female ga mayo re ko फीमेल की वो 40 प्लस के रहते हैं ये फीमेल की तो फीमेल की 40 प्लस की नो तब सीबीओ फीमेल की 40 प्लस की कोई लाख पे उन्होंने बनी Very good, Chanchin Biro. Yam timing, yam Pazana, going to Chili. Housing Power, sub 1 hour is 16 minutes. But what the name of the Chili was your losing say? Somebody, but here you have got him, but I can call one of God for him. Very good. In the 45 category, almost all the women belong to the police, led by RTC teacher. Very good. Sub 16 good. Very good. Chilo. 40 plus की female की और भी एक चीज़ हो गया 40 plus female anybody
Manung de hangri yang kira juga kai pura kan?
Forty plus के मैं याद हूँ 40 plus Female 40 plus category second position has just arrived. Round of applause for the second position holder. About all the time, I'm July. We want to see you. See you, Bangang Singh Jivan and Pajana. Kogi Tamu Balram tक ये ऑप्शन है Tamu Balram से कोई ये ऑप्शन है very good
Nó bùa mì à nè. Luôn đi nó qua nó cái con mì gì cái gì đó. Tân sai tốt nhiều nó cái tổ này tân sai tổ. Rồi ra rồi à.
Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oklahoma, mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers. I told you long ago.
Electrician am tak hiyo ni electrician di kana to get ken nong ni ke. Bagi tamo pe kan jiya video ke round of applause for CO10 AV. Congratulations. Ya PNG kana pa ke mai ji kana na sene ke. PNG ne to ga mai den ta to ka ura ta ka yo.
I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. From nothing, dog, get your soul. Just tell them it ain't low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, from nothing, dog, get your soul. Just tell them that the Give me like one with Nicky now. Tell a rap nigga I don't see it. I'm a pop nigga like Bieber. On for a bitch, I'm queer. For these nigga bitch, let me
Kenapa lagi friend juga? Very good, Rafiq ji. Single ji, 40 plus 20 in the other. Okay. Same level, Pak. Okay. Very good. My DSP studio has also arrived. Very good. Very good. Mayan Sundaro. Among the refreshment certificate stretching Taibudaga, Lomala revenue. Selfie frame, selfie booth. Everything is kept inside, ready. Good.
Bebo, ikaw ang aking bebo, ikaw ang aking bebo, ikaw ay Filipino. Hoy pare, pakinggan niyo ko. Ito ng tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo sa Pangbato, pumunta ng LA nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay dahil sa hirap ng buhay. Pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain, nagkakamay. Yung kanin, chicken adobo. Yung balot, binibenta sa kanto. Tagay mo na nga ang baso. Pare ko, inuman na tayo. Filipino. Bebo, ikaw ang aking bebo, ikaw ang aking bebo, ikaw ay Filipino. Mas gusto ko magagandang dalaga, nakakagigil ang beauty mo talaga.
40 plus female category youth.
Ikaw lang ang
Position holder, okay.
yung bahay o kubo. Pag-ibig mo ay totoo, puso ko'y laging kumikibo. Wala kang katulad sa mundo. Pinay kasigaw na, sige. Kung maganda kasigaw na, sige. Kung buhay mo'y mahalaga, sige. Salamat sa iyong suporta. Filipino, 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 Filipino. Bebo, 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 bebo.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to announce the position holders for the open category male and female. For the third prize, we have bid number 0164, Y. Albert Maito. For the second prize, open category male, we have bid number 0558, M. Mukta Singh. For the first prize, open category, we have 0071, KH Zabir Hussain. I request all the participants to kindly be present at the stage. For the open category female, for the third prize, we have 0164 PH Nikita Devi. For the second prize, open category female, we have 0125 PH Maria Chanu. And for the first prize, for the open category female, we have 0084 P. Rashatan. We request all the participants to be announced to kindly remain in the stage.
Guys, looking at the participants, this conversation about guys, looking at the participants, it's Maya Valente. If you have a request for you.
Number 0051, hit number 0051, male 40 plus category B. For the announcing put on them tongue tar the Changiro 0051, male 40 plus category B. 0051, 0051, 0051, 0152. Male 40 plus category. Orange color gift no padiba. Male 40 plus category 0051, 0152. Pagi my channel or tabi category announcing to Lomba Chandiro 0051 Nakanda. Stacy Nakanda gate sari basigi Nakanda hogi. Sound speaker Tamiba Nakan serves the Chandiro 0051. 0051 0152 0152 lah bro. Link. Zero 51 bro. 0051. 0051 to national of Tamil Nadu announcing to Tamil Nadu 0051 40 plus category 0051.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to announce the prizes for the 10-kilometer Mega Awareness Run under 4 categories. Open category male and female, 40+ category male and female. For each category, first prize is 1 trophy, 1 certificate and a check of 10,000 rupees. Second prize is 1 trophy, 1 certificate and a check of 5,000 rupees. Third prize is 1 trophy, 1 certificate and a check of 3,000 rupees. In addition, participants securing 4 to 10 positions in each category will receive a cash prize of rupees 1,000 each. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now proceed to the prize distribution ceremony. May I respectfully request the Director General of Police Manipur, Sri Mukesh Singh, IPS, to present the prize to the winners of the open category male.
The third prize for the open category male has been secured by bib number 0164 Y Arjit Maite. Shri Y Arjit Maite, kindly proceed on the stage. Shri Y Arjit Maite, bib number 0164, open category male.
All the prize winners are requested to kindly come towards the stage. I repeat, all the prize winners are requested to kindly come towards the stage.
Category Kutingi Ahan Badagina Ahum Subabo Manunga Labiba participants Manunga Tumbirakiba prize winners since Manaka lineup Kita Junction Bureau.
P. Vidya Chalu, K.H. Jabir Hussain, P.H. Maria Chalu, M. Mukta Singh, P.H. Nikita Devi, kindly come towards the stage.
Open category male. Third prize secured by 0164 Y Arjit Maite. Second prize secured by 0558 M. Mukta Singh. First prize male open category secured by 0071 K.H. Jabil Hussain. Next, third prize open category female secured by 0838 bib number T.H. Nikita Devi. Second prize, open category female, secured by 0125 TH Maria Chanu. First prize for open category female, secured by 0884 TH Russia Chanu. Kindly proceed on the stage. Kindly come near the stage. All the prize winner. +40 male category. Ahum Subamana Lobi Kadaba 0086 beep number. beep number Devraj Achoivam. Second prize Lobi Kadaba 40+ male category 0284 L Milan. First prize Lobi Kadaba 40+ category male 0103 Muhammad Imtiaz Rahman. Stage Manakta Junction stage ki mamang thang ba Michael Junction pero. Female की 40+ category की दा ahum सुबह मना लो भी कदा 0055 Subhapati Devi. Ani सुबह मना लो भी कदा 40+ category female 0073 L Bembem Devi. Ahan mana लो भी कदा 40+ female category की 0031 N Sunita Devi.
May I also respectfully request the Director General of Police Manipur, Sri Mukesh Singh IPS, to present the prize to the winners of the open category male. For the third prize of the open category male has been secured by bib number 0164. Y Arjun Maitai. Everyone give a big round of applause, everyone. The third prize for the open category male has been secured by bib number 0164. Y Ajit Maitai.
A huge round of applause to Y Arjit Maitai, beep number 0164.
Mas mo magagandang dalaga, nakakagigil ang beauty mo talaga. Love mo hindi nakakasawa, ikaw lang ang gusto makasama. Yung bahay o kubo.
The second prize for the open category male has been secured by M. Mukta Singh, bib number 0558. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for M. Mukta Singh. The first prize for open category male has been secured by bib number 0071 KH W. Hussain. The first prize for open category male has been secured by K.H. Jabil Hussain. He has achieved this remarkable feat in 34 minutes and 7 seconds. Kindly give a huge round of applause for him. May I also respectfully request DG sir to kindly do the honors for presenting the prizes for the open category female. The third prize for the open category female has been secured by BIP number 0838 TH Nikita Devi. The second prize for open category female has been secured by TH Maria Chanu, BIP number 0125. Akan maghubag, aho maghubagan mataghubiyo mayang pumnamak. The first prize for open category female has been secured by BIP number 0884 TH Russia Chanu. Please give a great round of applause for TH Russia Chanu.
May I also respectfully request ADGP LO, Armed Police and Intelligence, Sri Lahari Dorji Lato, IPS, to kindly present the prize for the winners of the 40+ category male. The third prize for the 40+ category male has been secured by BIP number 0086, Devraj A. Achoibam. Everyone give a huge round of applause for Devraj A. Achoibam. Thank you. The second prize for the 40+ category male has been secured by bid number 0284. Everyone give a huge round of applause for Al. Let's give a huge round of applause for Al. Now we have the first prize for the 40+ category male, who has been secured by bid number 0103, Muhammad Imtiaz Rahman. Everyone give a huge round of applause for Muhammad Imtiaz Rahman. He also belongs to the Manipur Police, so everyone give a huge round of applause. He's great work to the Manipur Police Department. May I also respectfully request ADGP, AG, Home Guard, Home HR, Shri Emmanuel K. Mulva, IPS, to kindly do the honors of distributing the prizes for the 40+ category female. For the third prize for the 40+ category female, we have bid number 099, Prabhavati Devi. Everyone give a huge round of applause for Prabhavati Devi.
The second prize for the 40 plus category female has been secured by bid number 0073. Alvin Baby. We have a huge round of applause for Alvin Baby. Now we have the winner. The first prize for the 40 plus category female has been secured by bid number 0331. Sunita Baby. We have a huge round of applause for Sunita Baby. Round of applause everyone for deserving winners.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of this program, I would like to invite the Deputy Inspector General of Police, AP2 Manipur, Shri N. Hirojit Maite, to kindly deliver the word of thanks.
Respected DGP Manipur, respected ADGPs, senior officers, all the officers, colleagues, friends, participants, good morning. On behalf of the organizing committee of the 10-kilometer mega awareness run organized in connection with the observation of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the dignitaries, organizations, and individuals whose invaluable support made this event a grand success. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, the Honorable Home Minister of Manipur, and the respected Chief Secretary of Manipur, who were here with us at a flag of ceremony for sparing their valuable time to grace the event and encourage the participants. We are deeply thankful to the respected DGP Manipur, Sri Mukesh Singh, IPS, for his generous support and for kindly providing the necessary fund for organizing this event. Thank you, sir. Our respected thanks go to respected ADGP, Law and Order, Intelligence, Armed Police, Sri Lari Dorji, IPS, Manipur, for his constant and valuable guidance and encouragement in making the program a success. Thank you, sir, very much. I would also like to thank ADGP, Sir Muibha, all the IGPs, DIGPs, and other officers and invitees for attending the function and making the event a success. Our sincere appreciation is extended to the Commissioner, Art and Culture, Department of Government of Manipur, for kindly permitting the use of the historic Kangla premises for this noble cause. Considering the large number of runners participating in today's event, the Association of Healthcare Provider India Manipur chapter provided 2 advanced life support ambulances and 2 bike ambulances to ensure prompt medical assistance if needed. We sincerely thank on record the association for the generosity and cooperation. I also extend my sincere appreciation to all the organizing subcommittee members and volunteers who rendered their wholehearted support, coordinated various arrangements, and worked tirelessly to ensure the smooth and successful conduct of this event at very short time. My special thanks and appreciation goes to Sri Sivakanta Singh, IPS, SP Imphal West, who have been tirelessly working in all fronts to make the run a success with record participation. We are equally grateful to our friends from the print, electronic, and digital media for their valuable coverage and support in spreading the message against drug abuse and promoting this novel initiative among the people. Finally, I thank all the participants who have cheerfully participated in today's run, and also a big congratulations to the prize winners and finishers of the run. Thank you all for joining hands in building a drug-free, peaceful, healthy, and progressive society. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, and thank you everyone present for making this event a very grand, successful one. Cheers to everyone. A big no to drugs and a big yes to life. Thank you.
Hey, don't